I've been after for time. Completely run out of stock in the UK. I could get it, but it would have been from Australia or America, and when you're adding up all the import taxes and global shipping program and all that business, yeah, with it, it would have cost too much. Okay, so I've got some bits and bobs. I just got a fan. Put in your X-Max. Just got some extra scissors. Sometimes I can't find the ones I've got. Little connector for the 18 scale cars, and some thin strips of masking tape, and some contact wheels for the Forte probably. Yeah, if I end up, I might put them on the front as well because they're rear and they're wide, so I think I'll handle a bit better. Right, let me get that stuff. But yo, I wanted that from the first time I saw it, and I didn't get it the first time I saw it, and did I regret that? But yeah, that's everything you're getting with it. That's the chassis layout. Bit of a longer wheelbase, guys. That's the reason why I didn't go for many of the Fazers, because other body shells won't fit, a bit pointless. So you've got these brake discs that come with it. That's your power system there. I don't think there's enough power in there. I've seen these running and they're not fast enough, but I don't want to have to upgrade stuff. I've got fast enough 110 scale cars anyway. The ones that I've got will probably do 60, 70 mile an hour anyway, so do I really need that? No, I don't. So, but you know, come on guys, you must have guessed why. Come on. I have been after, right, making, what is stuck on this thing? Is there any tape? It would help if I cut the tape, so let me just cut it on that side. Once that's done, right. So, there's a fair few unboxing vids, guys, on YouTube of this, but I wanted this, and no prize for guessing why. Have you figured it out, guys? Why would I want this body shell? Well, you know, guys, I like making RC movies, right? So I think I've took the whole block out. Oh, well, it's all taped in, right? Okay. It's all taped in. I'll get that loose, and then the whole bit should just pop out from what I can see. No, yes, come on. This is not working out the way I thought it would. Alright, it comes up on one side, but not the other. I'm just too desperate to get it out. I just want it out. Calm down. Calm yourself down. You got it. It's here. Yeah, that is the way it's supposed to come out. Why are you stuck? Right, that was the right way. Okay. Oh, don't throw that away. Transmitter. And rebook. And I don't need you. Ooh. Okay. Let's have a quick look at the transmitter, guys. So, manual, I'm not going to go through this, guys. You've seen one in a million. You've got your front lights there, guys. You've got your brake disc lookalike things, okay? That's the body shell I was after, guys, right? You know, like making race movies, and I suppose if you're young, you won't know what's going on, but if you're a bit older, you'll remember the Dukes of Hazzard series that used to come on TV, alright? We kind of grew up with that, and Fall Guy and A-Team and all that business, right? Still spaceship, massive, primitive, remote. Nothing amazing, guys. How many batteries does it take? Alright, 4 AA batteries. Alright, but yeah, it's just, that's big. That's really big. Yeah. It's simplistic, it's simple. I mean, you can always put your own remote and receiver in there. What I used to do with Minis is just sell sometimes the transmitters that come with it, sell them off, put my own system in there. But ooh yeah, is that a beauty? Now let me tell you why, let me show you, 1 minute. Okay, now, if you follow my vids, you've probably seen that I was trying to make a General Lee car. Alright, that's a really good reproduction. That's a Scale X-Trix version, 132 scale, right? But I couldn't find a chassis to fit under there. It doesn't fit Mini Z's. It's a bit of an odd size, like a 92mm wheelbase. It's not wide enough for the wheels. They pop out of the arches, so that's not going to work. Then I went to step 2, phase 2, right, let me show you my phase 2, 1 minute. This is my step 2, where I've taken a Charisma GT24 Subaru and started to convert it so it'll fit a shell. Now this shell is really heavy, it's die cast, it's massive, it weighs a lot. The Mini Z is not long enough nor strong enough to carry this load. So that's kind of, you know, it would have been easier for me to make a video of a smaller generally, but yeah, I'm still in the process of trying to mount this, but I always wanted a 110 scale one, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I already have the decals already, and do I have to cut this? Yep, we do. Wow. Okay. Can you guys see this? Why is it sticking up? Okay. Right. Should just pop off now. Yep. So I expect the chassis, everything to be the same as the version that I had before, but I like that, man. I mean, American muscle cars are pretty cool anyway. Don't worry, you're going to see it on the stand. Wow, this is really like painful. Really stuck on it. Right. That's some sticky stuff. Okay, so like them wheels. I like the way it's kind of sat. It's kind of squatted at the back. But yeah, that's going to be changed out. Oh yeah. Well, I don't need to put the lights on it then, because the General Lee would look like that. Okay, got to take this sticker off. From what I know, yep, you pull it, peel that. So to get the real look, you see it's been done before, so I don't know if you guys want to see it. But basically, I've had the 110 scale sticker kit before anybody made a video, before anybody brought them out. I planned on getting a Dodge shell and spraying it up. That was 7, 8 years ago. So yep, so them stickers are gonna get used now. I might still spray up that body shell. I had it for absolutely ages and never got around to doing it. So right, use your pin to get the rest of the pins out and collect them all in one place so you don't lose them. I just don't want to scratch this up. Hold on a minute, there's a mirror missing. Or was it only a mirror on one side? I don't know. That's interesting. There's only one mirror. Is that how it comes? I don't know. Oh, it must do, look. Alright, so it's not a fact, it's not a fault, it's not broken. It's only connected to one side. Okay. But yeah, this is gonna get reinforced like mad. It was so hard for me to get hold of this shell. That's getting shoe good like there's no tomorrow. Right? Okay, them spots for lights. Or is that just to hold the whole bumper bit in? I do like that, guys. I didn't think I'd see one of them again. Right, because I regretted not buying it. I was like, why didn't I just buy it, man? Oh no. I didn't expect them to run out of stock, but now 3 came in to the UK and I thought I'm going to get it. I like these wheels, a bit similar to the vintage wheels that were on the HP RS3, RS4. That would come on the vintage cars, the muscle cars that HPI did. I like them because they seem a bit wider than normal. Alright, they will actually go nice on the hot rod, the Fortec hot rod, quite similar to the wheels there. Okay, nothing to write home about, guys. It's still the same platform that we know. Yeah, nothing amazing. I mean, I do like the anodized shocks. I haven't run mine just yet, right, guys? So I can't tell you much about how it handles, but I know it's underpowered, it's slow. Alright, check it out on display stand, guys. Okay, so normal body shells between 257mm to 260 millimeters in wheelbase, and this one is 274 millimeters. So you stock other bodies aren't, so it don't seem to be able to fit. I don't know why they made it a bit bigger. Overall, it's 507 millimeters in length, 210 in width, which is normal. Yeah, 200 to 210. You can obviously put wider wheels on and get it to stick out, so that's not a problem. And the wheelbase is long. It's just about 10 millimeters, 15 millimeters longer than the other cars. That would obviously create more stability, so at high speeds that shouldn't be bad. But let's find out. Is it quite plush? That's hard shock, which you want hard shocks anyway on an on-road car. Softer at the front, hard at the back, good setup. Looks about alright. Brushed motor, guys. Dean's connectors. I don't know about the diffs. I did manage to find some diffs on eBay, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to stock up. So I had some diffs. I've got the hardened drive shaft, because I just think that once you start overpowering it, I think your drive shaft and these outputs are going to be a problem point. And normally in your high power stuff, your actual drive shafts to the wheels, I don't know what on earth that is, but it looks like some plastic. So if you're going to go high powered on that, that might need upgrading, but I don't know, I'll see. I want it for the vids, as long as it can jump. It's going to get trashed. As long as it can jump, I'm a happy man. Now the only thing is I've got to find Rasco Pico's car, right? Which I think it was a Dodge Monaco police car. But that's a mission, man. This body shell you can find, that one, no way. Surprised no one's done it and had a set. But yep, you need to make some adjustments to that body shell, guys, and then you can get it all set up to look like a generally. If you want to see that video, let me know, I'll record it. If not, we'll just move on. But yeah, so happy with that, guys. That is just so cool. The Dodge Charger 1970, this is the ready set version, 1/10 scale, and it's electric powered, which is brushed, which is a bit lame, but yeah. 2.4 gigahertz, it's got a 550 size motor, which I'll probably change, and unless it's going to blaze out drive shafts, then I won't. Large capacity 60 amp Kyosho Speedhouse ESC, waterproof steering servo, and vintage tyres and restyle wheels. They're better wheels than that came with the Acura. I didn't really want a fan of them. Okay, so I'm not going to make this a long unboxing, guys.